Today we're going to be doing a play-doh video. My name is Caterina. Welcome back to my video. And I hope you go to my next video. If you guys seen it, thumbs up for you. Go and check it out. It's really cool. I hope you subscribe to this video after the video. Thank you. So we're going to be starting with all of these stuff. Okay. So let's start. So I'm gonna first make like this, like an ice cream. So I'm gonna get purple to do it, and so this is the purple we have. See, we just have to mix it up so then like it's smooth. Let's take it out with look at all of our knives and stuff we have. So I'm going to scoop it up. Oh my God. Let's get some more. Now, I need to get a cup. I'm going to put it inside here. I think we need more. Okay, so here, I'm going to put more Play-Doh and squeeze it up. This is the best Play-Doh I made. Best Play-Doh ice cream I made on earth. Oh my God. Look at my ice cream. I'm still not done. You have to just scoop everything here out. Clean. It's ready. This side is really nice, but here's a bit fingerprint. See, my ice cream. Okay, so now I'm done my ice cream. And as you see here, it has a bit of fingerprints. It's fine. So here I have my sharpener. Like, I'm going to scrub it like for sprinkles. I'm going to get some pink. I mean some of this color because they're old. But they're not dry. Let me show you them. Here. See, it's really soft. Color. Okay, so let's scoop it out. Now, this, we're gonna put it on a little table. Here. Wait, where should we put it? Little pot. See, we're gonna sharpen it. I don't know what's it called. See, it's actually a grater. I forgot. See. It's grating a lot. See, look how much grating inside. We're gonna just put the sprinkles. Ice cream. I'm just gonna make like these little balls, mini balls. Mini balls. Sprinkles. I should have think of that. So here's my ice cream. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe and look. You can make your own and then you can eat it.